Hi, this is Jermaine, and buying a baby shower gift is not always easy, so here are your top 5 practical baby shower gifts. Any new mother will be grateful to receive these gifts. Number 1. Diapers. Diapers are definitely an essential gift that is going to be used for at least the first year of a baby's life. By buying diapers, you'll definitely save the mother quite a few dollars. Newborn diapers are usually a good choice, but before you know it, the baby will begin to crawl and a mother will appreciate larger diapers as well. So getting larger size diapers is also recommended. I guarantee, with so much going on with a mother, it will be greatly appreciated. When presenting it to the mother, you can present it in the form of a diaper cake, which you can buy online or make yourself. Another great option is to make or buy a beautiful diaper bouquet. This is a wonderful way to present diapers, and you can buy this one online at Etsy Diaper Makeovers, or you can simply put it in a gift bag. Number 2. Bath products. Bath products are a very thoughtful gift to give that a mother will definitely appreciate. They come in different colorful packages with items inside such as baby oil, baby lotion, shampoo, and powder. They also come in a variety of arrangements and sizes. They come in small packages, beautiful large ones, or you can purchase individual pieces online or at your local store and create a gift basket for the mother. That's always a wonderful way to present bath products. They are beautiful, and the products inside are definitely going to be needed on a daily basis. Number 3. Clothing. Clothing is another very awesome, practical, and essential gift to give. Definitely appreciated by a mother. Whether it's a boy or a girl, they have many cute, basic outfits out there that's a good start for a mother. For boys, you can get onesies and matching pants, or purchase a couple outfits that can be used at any time. And a great idea is to get larger clothes so that the child can use it at a later date, since many of the guests will probably bring her newborn clothing. For girls, onesies are a great idea as well, and purchasing larger clothing is also recommended. Number 4. Hygiene Kit. A hygiene kit definitely comes in handy, especially when the baby gets sick. They come in cute little packages, small or large, with different essential tools inside needed in the early stages of a baby's life. A mother feels terrible when her baby gets sick, and to have this gift waiting should the baby feel ill, equipped with a thermometer, nasal aspirator, medicine dropper, scissors, and more, is a very helpful gift any mother would love to have. And last but not least, number 5. Gift card. This will always be a great gift. Give a gift card. There's always going to be items a mother did not receive that she will need to purchase later. Target is an awesome gift card to give. Many other options you have to choose from are Bye Bye Baby, that also has wonderful baby items. You can also get a gift card at Baby Depot at Burlington, or you can get a gift card at Amazon. That's always a wonderful place. There is a wide variety of things a mother can choose from. Here we have the top 5 practical gifts that a mother will definitely be pleased with. So the next time you go to a baby shower, remember these 5 gifts. And as always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye!